Aurora Laser is an experienced team with creativity and energy in laser equipment field for decades. We can provide door-to-door service, including repair, upgrade, install, and transform for your machines. We have successfully transformed a lot of CO2 cutting machines to fiber laser cutting machines. We are equipped with an engineers team who are both passionate and experienced. We'll help you with all laser equipment problems. Aurora Laser also provides original laser machines and spare parts for most famous brands, including IPG, Precitech, Ray Tools, GW, etc. Both new and second-hand ones are available.